In the dynamic state of Gujarat, where tradition harmonizes with innovation, the Gujarat Council on Science and Technology, GUJCOST, has been a symbol of progress since its establishment in 1986. Established with a vision to leverage the power of science and technology, GUJCOST aims to address regional challenges while contributing to the global pursuit of socio-economic development. The Council's mission emphasizes that cultivating scientific awareness is essential, particularly in tackling issues like backwardness, rural unemployment, and poverty. Among GUJCOST's numerous initiatives, the establishment of community science centers across Gujarat stands out as a cornerstone of their efforts. But what impact do these centers have on the communities they serve? These centers are being developed through strategic public-private partnerships, underscoring the state's commitment to utilizing knowledge and innovation for societal betterment. GUJCOST envisions a future where science empowers communities, driving Gujarat and India towards unprecedented socio-economic growth. A remarkable embodiment of this vision is the Regional Science Center in Rajkot, a key city and industrial hub in Gujarat. Designed by INI Design Studio, this Regional Science Center of Rajkot is located next to the Ishwariya Mahadev Temple and lake. This center goes beyond being an architectural feat. It symbolizes the state's dedication to bridging the gap between the people and science into daily life. The design draws inspiration from the local cultural environment, particularly an annual religious fair set on an elevated mound within a popular picnic area. The architecture resonates with this cultural heritage, having evolved through multiple design stages to represent the continuum of life, a concept central to both the design and purpose of the center. The architecture of the Regional Science Center is both functional and symbolic. At its core is a sacred central space, symbolizing the void of pure potential from which all creation emerges. Surrounding this is a segmented structure that metaphorically embraces infinity, reflecting the limitless possibilities that science and technology present for societal advancement. Central to the center's design is a vibrant public plaza, which serves as the heart of the facility. The ground floor features galleries filled with interactive exhibits that span a wide range of scientific topics, from machine engineering and robotics to life sciences and the local ceramic industry. Mezzanine spaces overlooking these galleries are designated for workshops and science outreach, further enhancing the educational experience. To cater to diverse interests, the center includes a VR zone, sound park, and a flight simulator, providing visitors with immersive experiences in science. These amenities make the center a valuable resource for families, schools, and community groups. The design of the center also addresses environmental challenges posed by the local terrain and climate. Minimal excavation and blasting were required, ensuring that the structure integrates seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Sustainable strategies such as vertical fins, tensile canopies, and cross ventilation were employed by INI Design Studio to mitigate Rajkot's hot climate. Additionally, the design incorporates energy-efficient measures, rainwater harvesting, and the use of recycled materials, aligning with the region's commitment to environmental sustainability. The Regional Science Center in Rajkot stands as a testament to GUJCOST's vision of integrating science and technology into societal development. By establishing such centers, GUJCOST not only serves the immediate community but also contributes to the global narrative of using scientific innovation as a catalyst for socio-economic progress. What do you think about this unique blend of architecture and innovation in fostering community development? Do let us know in the comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such breathtaking projects, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Architect's Diary. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment.